Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to take third period of statistical ability in that mode. Now mode. Definition. Maximum number of times repeated observation is known as mode. What is that? Maximum number of times repeated value or observation is known as mode. Mode are three types. Types of mode you have to see here. There are three types. One is called unimodal mode. Second one, bimodal mode. Third one, trimodal mode. Now what do you mean by unimodal mode? So see this unimodal mode is what? Only one observation is repeated maximum number of times. In a given data, if one value is repeated maximum number of times, so we can say that the mode of the data is 1. So that is called unimodal mode. Bimodal mode, in which we will get two observations are repeated maximum number of times. In a given data, two values are repeated maximum number of times. So we call them bimodal mode. Two values are there, two observations are there in all observation which are repeated maximum number of times. Try the third one, trimodal mode. Three observations are repeated maximum number of times. Three values are repeated equally but maximum times. So we call it as trimodal mode. So these are the types of mode. Now example 1. Find mode of 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 9, 4, 5. Observations are given. Now solution. Given observation we have to write here. Okay. Given observations. Given observations are. Now we have to write all the numbers ascending or descending order, or just we can pick the which value is maximum time repeated. First we write it is better if we write that all in a ascending or descending order. Take 2 one time. Okay. Another 2 is there. Then 4. Cut it. No 4s are there. 5. 5 2 times. 5 is gone. 5 here is there. 5. One more 5. And 6, 7, 9. Just seeing this, which value is maximum number of time is repeated. 2 times repeat. 4 is 1 time. 5, 1, 2, 3 times repeated. 6 1 time, 7 1 time, 9 1 time. So we can write this. We can say that 5 is repeated maximum number of times. Maximum number of times repeated value. Or we can say observation is 5. So that implies mode is what? Mode of the data, given data is 5. So maximum repeated value is called mode. Example 2. Suppose second question. Find mode of 10, 20, 10, 30, 20, 5, 4, 6, 60, 70, 70 and 80 are there. These are the observation. See the solution of this. We can write the numbers vertically, horizontally, and maximum, which numbers are repeated maximum we can find out them. So 10 is there. Least number, if you want to write least number, you can write. First least number is 4, 4, 5, 4 gone, 5 gone. Which numbers are there again? 10, 10, 10, 10. Here 10, this one 10 gone. 20, 20 2 times, 2 times. This 20, this 20. 30 one time. 70, 60, 30. Here 60 one time. This also gone. 72 times. I am writing here 70, 70 and 80. Now see that which value are repeated maximum number of times. Here 4 one time, 5 one time, 10 2 times, 20 2 times, 30 one time, 60 one time, 70 2 times, 80 one time. Now 3 values are repeated maximum number of times, 10, 20, 30. So these 3 value is mode is nothing but 10, 20, 70. So this is a mode. Maximum repeated value is called mode. Now example 3, find mode of 10, 20, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 10 and 2. Now see the solution. Again arrange it. Arrange the number, or simply you can write which number is maximum times or minimum time. So all are there. Just seeing we can say that 10 one time, 10 two times. Okay. 20 only one time. 10 two times. 20 go through like that. 20 is a number which comes only one time. And 5 one time. 6 not there anyway, so one time again. 7 one time. 8 one time. 9 one time. 10 over 2, so one time. Therefore, which value is repeated maximum number of time? 10. So mode is what? Mode is maximum repeated observation. So 10 is called mode of the given data. 10 is called mode of the given data. Why? Because it is maximum number of times repeated in a given observations. Now mean for mode for group data. Mode for group data. Example 4, find mode of a table will be given like this. It's a simple one. Only marks and number of students, or we can say observations, number of observation. That is called X and F. 5, 6, 9, 2, 20, 3, 30, 10, 70, 2, 86, 94. Now solution of this table. Find mode of this one is called group data in which f and x is there. Observations and frequency, number of times occurred that observation. Now see that 5 repeated how many times? 6 times. 9 repeated 2 times. 20 repeated 3 times. 30 observation 30 is repeated 10 times. Observation 70 repeated 2 times. Observation 80 repeated 6 times. Observation 90 repeated 4 times. So solution is very simple. Just seeing this table, we we can find the mode. Maximum repeated means highest frequency. This is called highest frequency. Highest frequency we have to see. Highest frequency is what? 10. That corresponding value, this value is known as our mode. So mode is what? Maximum repeated value. That means 30. 30 is mode of the data. Whenever table is given with observations and repeated number of times or x and f, we have to just seeing the highest frequency we can find the mode. Now a typical example here. Example 6, find mode of x. Observations, frequencies, number of times repeated that value. Observations are A. Frequency of that is 2, means A is repeated 2 times. B is repeated 3 times. C repeated 6 times. D repeated 9 times. E repeated 11 times. F repeated 8 times. G repeated 11 times. H repeated 5 times. And I repeated 9 times. J repeated 4 times. See that 11, 11, 2 times are there. 9 also there. So it's a typical question. But we have to select the maximum value, not 2 or 3 times repeated one. 9, 9 is also there, 11, 11 is also there. Which is maximum value here? Maximum value in 9, 9 to 11, 11 is 11 is maximum. So 11 one time here. Here also 11. So in this one, these two corresponding values, here we will get mode is what? Mode is maximum repeated E. So E is also one mode, another is G. So our mode is E and G. Two values we will get. Maximum number of times repeated observation is called mode. So 11, 11. Two values are repeated maximum times. And another two values also there, but they are not maximum. 9 times are there. So 11 is greater than 9. So we will not take these two. We have to take E and G. This is a very typical example for competitive exams. Now example 7. Find mode of this table. Distribution table which contains one column is class interval frequency. Class intervals are continuous form 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80. This class repeated 2 times, this class repeated 5 times, this class 20 to 30 frequency is 9, 30, 40 frequency 10, 40, 50 frequency 20, 50, 60, 15, 60, 78, 70, 83. So first we have to find highest frequency 20. It is F1. highest frequency is known as F1. Above that, whatever value is there, that is F0. The below of that frequency class is known as F2. Now three values we will get. Take the corresponding lower limit of the class. Frequency class, frequency is 20. This is called frequency class. So lower limit is, these two values are same, so we have to take L as the lower limit. If both are same, continuous, then we will take this as a L. So this is our L value. This is our L value. L is nothing but 40. And class interval, take the difference of these two, that is H or C. Sometimes we take class interval as C or H. So formula is there, whenever this type class interval and frequency is given, just seeing the highest frequency we cannot find the value. Why? Because the observations are in between 40 and 50. In between 40 and 50. It lies in a class this. Which observation exact we have to calculate using formula. Mode is what? Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H or C. We can take H as H or C are same. This is H and C are both same. Class interval, that is. Write all values here. F1 is what? F1 we will get 20. F0 is what? 10. F2 is what? 15. L is what? That is lower limit of the class, frequency class, 40. And H or C is what? 10. How you will get this? 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20. Take difference of any class, you will get that same value. Now substitute here, calculate, you will get the mode of the table, distribution table. Whenever tables are given, distribution table, you have to do like this. Okay, using formula. 20 minus, here 20 minus F0 is 10. 2 into 20 minus 10 minus F2. F2 is 15 into H. H is 10. So how much this? This is 40 plus 20 minus 10, 10. This is 2 20s are 40. These are two negative numbers. Minus 10 minus 15. How much this? Minus of 25. Add with the same sign. So minus 25 into 10. How simple it is. Now you can calculate it. This is 40 plus 10 by 40 minus this 15 into 10. So I will write here. This is nothing but 40 as it is plus, simplify this, it goes with 2 times. 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 into 10. So this is nothing but again 40 plus 2 10s are 20 by 3. Take the, solve this fraction. It goes with 6 times. 3 6 are 18. We will get 2. Put the point. Again 20. 6. Up to 2 decimal. After 2 places we have to take maximum number of times. This is 40 plus 6.66. Or we can write this 6.7 also. 6.7 also bar. 6.6 bar, or we can make it up to 40 plus 6.7 also. Just seeing your optional, your answer may be this, your answer may be this, your answer may be this. 46, that is 46.7 is a Answer, you can write this 46.6 bar or 46.7 or 46.66 also your answer. Just seeing the bit we can say the value. We can pick the bits A, B, C. So this is very simple method, formula based to find mode. Now example 8, find mode. Here it is just as example 7, but here our difference is there. Class interval is not continuous form. It is discontinuous. It is start from 1 to 10. The next class not from 10 to 20. It is start from 11 to 20. Again 21 to 30. So this is called discrete or discontinuous class. Whenever discontinuous class is there, just you have to change the L value, make it continuous. Simple. You can write here continuous class interval. CI continuous. To make it continuous, we have to reduce 0.5 from first and reduce the next. Add the 0.5 to next class. Reduce from lower limit. This is 0.5. Here 10.5. Add 0.5 half value of 1. Difference is how much? 1. 10. This class to class difference is here to here in lower limit and upper limit of previous class is only 1. So we have to take difference like that. So it's nothing but 10 point reducing point value 0.5 value less and adding same value 0.5 to upper class. You will get this 20. This is 21 is there, so reduce it 5 point. You will get this. 30 is there, so adding that 5 point you will get this. Now this way we can find 40. So this is a 30, 40.5, 50.5. Again 0.5, 10, 20. This one 30. Okay. 30 class we have to write here. 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 60.5, 60.5 to 70.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 70.5 to 80.5. Now see this. These are called same continuous classes. Here discontinuous class interval, continuous class interval. Just for value of L or simply for shortcut where our frequency occurred, we have to take that class and take the average of these two values. So again we have to see that which frequency is highest one. 2, 5, 7, 9, 16, 12. 12 is the F1. This is our F0. This is our F2. And take that corresponding value. Here we are getting two L values which are not equal. That's why move this side. You will get this. Where is that? Here. Just below I have written. So 50, 51. 50, 51. Now here there is this class L. Now see L value is 50. L value is 50.5. So this is here lower limit of the frequency class. Frequency class here 12 is our frequency, main frequency. That's why this class is called frequency class. Another method is there, very shortcut. Whenever discontinuous class is there, take two values. One frequency class lower limit, previous class higher limit. Add it and divide it. 51 plus 50. This is our frequency class lower limit. 50 is a previous class, preceding class upper value by 2. Okay. this is nothing but 101 by 2. This is nothing but 50.5. So, while making equal class, we can select, or otherwise if discontinuing class is there, then also we can take by average of the two values of lower and upper limits of frequency class and previous or preceding class. And again same, f1 is there 12, f2 is there, f0 is there 6, f2 is there 4. One more formula I am giving here. Mode is there. What is mode? It's a very simple one. On this basis we will get number of questions. That's why I am doing with one more very simple formula. This is known as, now see this, mode equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. Just you have to find all these values f1, f0, f2, L and H. H is what? H anyhow you will get same. 11 minus 1 is 11 minus 1 is always 10. Anyway you will get 10. Here take upper limits also. If you take new classes also, 10.5 minus 0.5, again H is what? H is 10.5 minus 0.5, you will get again 10. So it never change. It is discontinuous class or continuous class. Whatever is there, H is always same. So just it affects the, whenever discontinuous class is there, you have to take L values are difference by the difference of the classes. Half of the difference of the classes. For L value we have to do this, otherwise class interval is always same. Now what is delta 1? Delta 1 is nothing but f1 minus f0. Simplifying, we are simplifying somewhere else and putting that value as delta 1, delta 2 and delta 2, 1 and 2. So delta 1 is what? f1. f1 is how much? 12. 12 minus 6 is how much? 6. So instead of f minus f0, we can write delta 1. And delta 2 is what? That is f1 minus f2. So which one is that? Where is that? 12 minus 4. This is 8. Now simply you have to write there. L value is what? 50.5 plus delta 1 is 6. Here 6 plus 8 into H is what? H is 10. So how? Right here 50.5 plus 6 by 14 into 10. It goes 2 5s are, 2 7s are. Again we can write 50.5 plus 5 6 are 30 by 7. Now divide this, add it, you will get the answer. 50.5 plus 30 divided by 7 up to 2 decimal places or 1 decimal places according to your bit you have to choose. If in our bits question bits consist of 1 decimal place, take to 1 decimal, 2 decimal place 2. 7 4s are 28. You will get 2.20. 2s are 40. 6. 60 it is. 7 8s are 56. So 4. So up to 2 places that number is nothing but 4 point this. Add this. First after point you have to add the values 8 as it is. Second place after point. 7 plus 2 plus 5 7. Point as it is. 4 plus 0 4 5. So our answer is 54.87 is a mode using delta 1 method. Now example 9, if this one is very simple question in mode. already values are given. Just we have to substitute this value in a formula and find which bit is correct. So a question will be like this. Example 9. If delta 1 is 11, delta 2 is 14, L value is 59.5, H value 10. Find mode. We know that mode is what? Here just it is given in a form of delta. So we have to use this formula L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. Okay. Mode is L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into H. Now L value is how much? 59.5. This is called simplified question. Delta 1 is 11. Again 11 plus 14 in denominator into H. H is what? 10. Just substitute 4 values. Delta 1, delta 2, L and H. So you will get 59.5 plus 11 by 14 plus 11, 25 into 10. Now you can simplify it. 2, 5 2s are, and here 5 5s are. This is nothing but 59.5 plus 2 into 11, 22. 22 divided by 5. Divide it 22 with 5. 22 with 5. 5 4s are 22. Put point here 20. 5 4s are 20. So this is nothing but 59.5 plus 4.4. Add the numbers. Decimal places, one decimal places is there. 5 plus 4 9. Put point. 9 plus 4 13, 3, carry 1, that's 63.9. So third bit, that is C, is your answer.